Tell her walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay, and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be giving you a few ways to style this beautiful NadulaHair wig. So this is a 24-inch curly NadulaHair wig, 150 density. What was it? V parts? I think that covers everything, so if there's anything I missed, it will be in the description box. That was a bit of a mouthful, but yes, so this wig, I have seen it all over YouTube, and there was this one video in particular that made me have high eyes for this wig. I'll probably stick the thumbnail up here and I'll have a link in the description, but that video, ooh, I was salivating for this wig. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 ways to style this hair, and also how to blend your short 4C hair. So if you don't have short 4C hair, then this might be a little bit easy for you. But if you do have short 4C hair, luckily enough, it's going to be easy for you too. Because when they sent me this hair, as much as I wanted it, I was scared. I was scared of the texture. I was scared of how I was going to blend it. But like, look at me now. Look at me now. And this wig is just... Anyway, without further much talking, let's get into the video. This is the wig, freshly co-washed and air dried. Oh my god, it is stunning! Like, the color pattern is literally everything. Yeah, I have trimmed it and layered it, and obviously the first style that we are going to try is the center part that everyone does. So my braids are looking crusty and dusty, which is funny because I only did them on the weekend, and today is Wednesday, so it's only been like 3 days, 4 days. Yeah, I think I did them on Saturday, so it's only been 4 days. But regardless, this is beautiful. I've been trying it and trying to see what it looks like on me and how I blend my Diddy leave out, because my hair is like extremely short. But if you can tell, my leave out is so little. I didn't leave out a lot of hair, and I have 4C hair, so let's see how this blends. For those of you that have never seen a V-part wig before, it has, this one in particular has 5 combs, or 5 clip combs, 2 combs on either side, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So I'm going to start by clipping the fronts. Ooh, the curls are so pretty. And I'm going to leave that one at the back because I don't need it. But look at the curls, it's so pretty. And I'm sure like with playing with it, it's going to fluff up. I'm not ready to fluff them up right now because I love how defined this looks. Oh my god. So let's get into the leave out, because I'm still scared about this because I don't know how it's going to go. I have been playing with it, but like, girl. So I'm just going to take my right tail comb and part it in half. I'm going to try and do a heatless blend, but if I wasn't going to go heatless, what I would do would be to hot comb the roots. But I kind of like the texture the roots has. So what I'm going to do instead is to comb out the ends and apply some Eco Styler gel. Hopefully this works, because this is an experiment. And then just try and comb that or brush that into the hair. So far it looks like it's working, but what I would hate would be for my hair to curl up too too much to the point where it's just like standing up on top of these curls. So far that looks like it's working. So far it's actually working out quite well. It looks quite blended if you ask me. There are some bits that are more curled than others, but it does look quite blended to me. It's not like sticking up, which is what I thought would happen, but I'm very happy about that. And then just to clean up the front to make it look a bit more sleek, I'm gonna get my edge booster, edge control, just clean up the part like that. So that is that, and that looks so good if you ask me. A friend of mine who is a stylist recommended this method, and I was like, that's not gonna work for my 4C hair, my short 4C hair, but like, looky here, it's working. I'm eating my words because look. And this hair is just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is style 1. I still have quite a few styles I need to show you. So for style number 2, I'm thinking of doing a headband wig. This style is nice because no leave out is necessary. Obviously if you're going to do this, you'd have had this braided down, but because I'm doing it for the video, just forget about this. Let me try and clip it away. I'm just going to bobby pin that down. Put a wig cap on. Slide this back a bit. Ooh, the edges look so slick. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't come with a band, so it's going to be easier to cover up with your own headband. If you have longer hair than me, I would also recommend a flip over, because a flip over, like if you leave your hair out on top of this hair, it would look so pretty and so natural. But you saw my hair is diddly, so headband wig is the option for us girls with not a lot of hair, or girls that have recently done the big chop. It's funny because I did my big chop like 6 years ago, but me and retaining length, I need to do something about that. Ooh, this is so pretty. So this is style number 2. So from the little braid pattern, I'm sure you can guess what we are doing now. Trust me, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to braiding, so if it looks funny, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. The clip's getting stuck in my hair. So far so good. And if you notice something, the curls were still very together. How do I explain? The hair is getting bigger the more we play with it. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. But this looks lush. This looks really good. I like. And then because of the way I've trimmed it, it can go either side or center, because I did like layers in a sense, so it's like shorter in the front and longer in the back. So when you twist it to the side, it just gives you kind of like a bang shape. It just has a lot of shape and body to it. Let me pull this clip in. So of course with a thin part wig you don't have to leave any hair out, but I am choosing to have like a very minimal leave out. Like see how little that is. And I can never just have like a straight side part, it has to be like a curved one. I love how big it's getting as well, like it's so fluffy and gorgeous but still defined. I love that. So I'm currently giving very pinhead, but trust the process, I have a plan. So I'm planning to do a half up, half down. So I have done a little top knot bun and I've packed the rest at the back. You could do cornrows if you're planning to keep this for longer, but I think it's not necessary, especially because the hair is so big. So I'm actually scared about this one, but I think it's gonna come out nice. Wish me luck, guys. So it's definitely gaping in the back, but you know, nobody has to see that, and it feels pretty secure from the clips on the top. So I'm just picking a little bit of hair from the wig, and I think I'm gonna, how do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? So I'm gonna pack it with a scrunchie. I should use a black scrunchie, but you know, then I'm gonna wrap this around. So I've definitely taken more hair. Ooh, I don't think this style suits me. Everyone else that did it look really nice, but it doesn't suit me one bit. I think if I had more hair, it would look better. Let me kind of loosen that up a bit. Okay. Okay, I can see the vision. But I'm gonna scooch these back a bit. So because of the way it was like curving around, I felt like it was giving me like old man head, where it looks like bald on top and then like you have hair on the sides. So yeah, I think that actually came together and looked okay. Like, it's not necessarily my favorite, but I think it's nice, and I think it could suit somebody else maybe a little bit better. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it, but I don't think it's bad. I just think it's just not me. But I don't know. Maybe if I did it a bit lower and it wasn't a top knot. But it is quite cute. It's just not. I don't know if it suits me. But I think I'm gonna put another scrunchie around it just to pull it together a little bit. Sorry, I'm looking around for the scrunchie. So I have this green one, which is the first one that I found. And honestly, yeah, I think that actually did pull it together a little bit, but I'm not sure. I feel like I'm still very pensive about this one in particular, this style in particular. I'm gonna have to get my girls to give me some confirmation on whether this looks good or not, because I'm very pensive about it, but it looks good. Anyway, you guys let me know what you guys think about this look, and that is style 4 out of 4. I mean, there's definitely infinite styles you could do. You could always, you know, adapt some of these styles and alter them to suit you, but that is it for today. So if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please be sure to talk to me in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.